Welcome to the first episode of Nature Photography. Quick, cheap, and lousy, where you learn about all the lousy things you have to deal with as a nature photographer. For example, I photograph with my dog. He's not necessarily the best behaved dog, but I take him out in the woods and photograph with him anyway. It's usually trying, a great deal of fun, but I love my dog, and I take him with me. One of the things you have to deal with when photographing with your best friend, your dog, is that he doesn't always do exactly what you want him to do. He doesn't necessarily stop and stay, and you have to stop and take a picture. He doesn't necessarily stay for the length of time. So what you have to do is maybe step on his leash, get him to stay, and then you can take the picture. That did it. Why photograph with your dog, you may ask, when it makes things more difficult? Well, the answer is, he loves a little sucker, he loves the woods, he loves to go out, and he's a good companion. Besides, if I leave him alone, he might get angry, and leave a mess on the floor. I think he wants to go already. All right, we'll get up. We'll go walk a little bit. Come on. So that's about it for this episode of Nature Photography. Quick, cheap, and lousy. You can learn to photograph with your dog, and he can learn to photograph with you. Eventually, he might even give you some suggestions for a good photo. In any case, it's good to have your dog out there photographing with you. It's good to have a little fun with it. And you just have to take a few little steps to make sure you get the shot. I use this Sony DSC HX400V. It's an ultra zoom, all-around camera. That works pretty well for just about any situation. It has a small sensor, so you won't get the usual quality with a full-frame camera. But you can get some darn good shots. And you can have a lot of fun with it and do a lot of different things. It just does everything. Anyway, thanks for watching this episode of Photographing with Your Best Friend, Your Dog.